how to convert USDC to USDT on Binance. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can convert USDC to USDT in Binance. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to launch the Binance application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the top left corner and tap on the Binance icon. Here, tap on More Services. So using the search bar at the top, you have to type in Convert and then tap on Convert. Once you land on this kind of interface, from the top section that says From, tap on the drop down and there you have to select USDC since we want to convert USDT to USDT on Binance. So first of all, select USDT. Under that, there is a drop down for to. Tap on the drop down and here you have to select USDT. After that, enter the amount that you would like to convert. Then you will see the equivalent amount on your USDT. Once you're done, preview your amount and then tap on Preview button. Here, if you have a sufficient balance on your Binance, there you'll have an option to confirm and then convert. But if you don't have the sufficient balance, then you may have to fund your account. So if you have the sufficient balance, tap on Convert button that you will see on this interface in order to execute your transaction. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.